How and where will Saco's children learn for decades to come? As a Saco voter, that's up to you.
When we look at the location that was selected by the school committee and State Board of Education, one of the things that really jumps out to me is the location to the eastern trail and the natural habitats that we'll have around the building. This complex will give us the ability for students to have outdoor learning spaces, trails through the woods, access to the eastern trail for physical education and to and from school. We'll have water resources with a walking bridge over Millbrook. When we think about all of the great work that Saco Middle School has done with project-based and outdoor education, we'll be able to take this down to the next level so that all students in Saco can experience programming that connects them to the outdoors. This space will allow us to form a curriculum that is directly linked to the city motto of friendly by nature.
Get an education on question 2. Visit info-on-2.com and remember to vote on June 11th.